Have you ever wanted children in your family? Ever thought about adopting a child? The decision to adopt a child can be a challenging one to make. Families need to be educated on what their options are, based on their own situations, and what adoption choices are even available. This is a really crucial step, and you can't afford to be unprepared. There are a ton of medical situations that could arise, and you need to be fully aware and ready for what's to come. As adoption medicine specialists, the major focus and concern is to help families become more prepared and to make educated decisions about adoption. That's where AdoptionDoctors.com comes in. We counsel families on the medical and social issues involved with domestic and international adoptions. We also provide medical guidance concerning the child once the parents receive his or her medical record from their adoption agency. This is what we'll do for you. Medical records studied and evaluated. Medical record, which may include medical diagnoses, explained in everyday terms. Growth parameters are placed on a growth curve to assess height, weight, head circumference, as compared to a general population of children of the same age. Developmental milestones are discussed so parents can understand the expectations for their particular child. Photographs are examined and evaluated for facial dysmorphism and other abnormal physical characteristics that could point towards fetal alcohol syndrome or genetic conditions. Videos, when available, are viewed and studied for abnormal physical characteristics and developmental or behavioral issues. A phone consultation with patient to summarize the findings of the medical abstract, video, and photographs. Doctor on-call service for blind referrals and domestic cases. Our adoption education service also includes conferences, workshops, live and online seminars, and parent training, newsletters, website, and the Ask the Adoption Doctor section. Don't adopt a child without consulting an adoption doctor. Visit AdoptionDoctors.com today, the go-to place for domestic and international adoption education and consulting services.